Leroy, you can't stop, man.
Makes sense.
YouTuber area, you know. The audience like you. Don't let them dislike you. They're like, Uncle Leroy. Yeah, all that. So you gotta be nice. You cannot curse me out. I'm a trying girl. I'm a trying girl. Before you give me props to say, Shauna, you did it. Well done. You know, welcome home. Before you do all that. Right here is Seaview. You see the name Seaview. You're right. Which part jungle there? Which part jungle already?
I put them on the side, yeah.
Oh, it's on the side,
See you.
yeah. Alright, go.
If I click, can I lift from the other side? Yeah? If I click, can I lift from the side?
Side one. Go there. Put it down, put it down.
That does not look enticing, but
It tastes good, though.
it doesn't look appealing.
Maybe if it tastes tasty.
No, I can't.
No, just taste it.
I cannot eat as yet.
No, just taste it.
I can't yam it yet.
Tastes good.
I can't eat it yet.
Best find something else on yummy.
Like what, Leroy? No, your talk right now. We know about me. Like what, Leroy?
Because you're supposed to push me. One and a half pass, right? Then one and a half. You can't pass, man. You each follow the word out to my bed. And you know, look.
That's a shipping company I send my stuff with.
Yeah, stream.
Yeah, want to say hi?
Hmm? Why? You must make sure you take your picture.
That was good, man.
But good.
Start if you don't want it, I will.
Him can't drive and move the cone
Yeah,
for him.
drive.
No, him can't drive.
So me I get license, buy driver's license.
I buy him you know Jamaica go already. Him a blinks.
You know, when you buy my driver's license.
Right, what are you telling the young man?
You don't need a license to drive. You need a license to be sure police stop you or something happen.
Leroy, you need a license to operate a motor vehicle.
No?
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time.
Welcome to our back to the channel. I'm Shauna. Welcome to another vlog. Hope everyone is having an amazing month of July. I'm excited. My final shipment is here. Well, not final, but my final, furniture shipment is here. The next picking up, that would be food barrels, but my couch is here. A few more furniture is here. If you know, I've been living without a couch for months, okay, but it's here. I'm happy, I'm grateful. Uncle Leroy is inside, so I send the things in Leroy's name just in case I'm not in Jamaica when it arrives. My couch is finally here. I can finally set my living room the way I want. I can somewhat start decorating my bedroom. I can complete my office space. I'm so happy, so grateful that the next shipment is here. So this will complete my moving in process, because if you don't have a couch, are you fully moved in? Are you fully comfortable if you don't have a comfortable couch? Today I do. So the last time I came to the wharf, I did not tell you guys the prices, and persons were private messaging me and stuff. So today I'm going to be a little bit more detailed, but not too detailed, because I know someone that knows someone that knows someone. And everyone is saying, oh, don't say too much, da, 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 da. So I won't say nothing, but I know someone, okay? Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, or turn your bell notification on. We hit 5k subscribers and we're on the road to 10. My goal is to get 6k subscribers within the next month. So please, I'm asking you to subscribe or turn your bell notification on so you do not miss any upload, because from time to time YouTube does not always notify y'all when a vlog is uploaded. So once you have your bell on, you will be notified once Shauna is here, you know what I mean? But we're at Mayor's shipping company. I ship my stuff from Charlotte, North Carolina. That's where home is. A truck is passing, a bike is passing. Yeah, so I ship my stuff from Charlotte, North Carolina, right? The first paperwork cost is $71,800 and couple cents. So I'm just gonna round it off to 72,000 Jamaican dollars for just the first paperwork. The second paperwork is $19,000. Now uncle is at the third stage. I don't know what the third stage payment is. He haven't updated me as well. I'm outside in the van waiting for him, although it's my stuff because it's in his name. He's the one that's stepping at the forefront and getting everything done. I'm putting uncle to work. It's miserable. Every minute uncle call me a complain. Uncle rude, no behavior, no manners. So that's the expense. Now I must say this though, now for information purpose, things got expensive. Do you hear me? Since this thing with Trump and things raising with the gas price, and we all know what happened, right? They have increased the cost. When I went back to the States in May, my shipping company called me and said I have to pay additional money because originally, and I was so upset because I'm like, why is this affecting me when my paperwork is already done before the entire chaos? You know what I mean? Today I'm collecting 2 pallets. In January, the smallest pallet was $920. Now they raised it to $1,000. The big pallet in January, the price was $1,125. That's $1,125 US dollars, right? Now they put $75 additional on it. So when I went back in the States in May of 2026, I had to pay additional money. The good thing though, uncle was in the States in April and early May, so he have a credit coming through the airport because he know I ship stuff and it's in his name. He did get a credit from the airport. You remember the vlog before when I said to you guys, I'm so dumb, I just want to if I could beat myself up I would, because I came through the airport without getting that credit. That credit is so helpful. So thank God this time around, lesson learned, this time around uncle got the credit at the airport. So that's going to help with once we get to custom to pick up the couch and the other stuff from the panel, that's credit. The credit is going to help to that expense. But over here where I'm at right now is to get the paperwork done. He haven't called me as yet to let me know what the third paperwork cost is, but I will update you guys once I know what's going on. But I'm happy, I'm grateful. Finally it's here. The next is just to get the the food barrel that's not here as yet. Get the food barrel, a couple knickknacks here and there, a couple stuff that I like that's not in Jamaica, and if it even is, it's expensive. So yeah, please remember it's I think that's all I have for right now. It's a good day. It's not sunny, it's bleaky. So I'm grateful that it's a bleaky day, because just imagine I'm outside waiting for uncle in the heat, in the sun hot. Yeah, God is good. But yeah, please remember to like the video, subscribe, share it. I'm here. This is the final stage of my stuff being here. I like to be comfortable, and this is gonna make me a little bit more comfortable. Not all the way comfortable, but a little bit more comfortable. So yeah, we're here in the van, y'all, you know, somewhat keeping my company. It's hitting me that I really pack up my stuff. I pack up my life I created, and move back home to Jamaica. It is yeah, I'm trying not to. I was talking to my church sister last night, and I'm like, listen, God, I'm excited to see myself a year from now. I am so excited. It's interesting. My journey is interesting, I must say, because things is different, you know. And never in the wildest dream I will see myself packing up my life back in the States, and you know, my comfortable life, my happy life. I had everything for my comfort. I was short of nothing, you know what I mean? And I'm here in Jamaica, and it's not my will. You know, some people say I'm gonna pack up and move back home to Jamaica. It's not my will. God sent me here. God sent me here, and I'm just like, okay, then I'm here in Jamaica, and I don't know, probably God is waiting for me to be settled, for him to start putting me to work. But we shall see, oh, but I'm here. This van parked beside me, and I think I look weird because since they parked the van, they're just in their vehicle looking. I think people should get used to people talking to cameras now, because everyone is doing it, you know what I mean? But I could feel the energy. Yeah, I could feel the energy. I'm just here waiting for Uncle. This is where I had to get the paperwork. It's not the best. I wouldn't say it's the best. It's kind of like yeah, but we're here. Paint the tires in Jamaica colors. Y'all see the trailer tires in front of me, the blue trailer? The tires are in Jamaica colors. I'm so proud of you. You're back. Let me see what time is it, because I was checking the time. We got here, it took 2 hours to get the paperwork done.
Could I take half of that?
You could? It took us 2 hours to get the paperwork done.
Could I take
The
half
security is so nice to me.
Security, thank you very much for giving me the parking.
Yeah, it's nice. He's a very nice guy.
I appreciate it a lot. But you should make sure you can't stay in the vehicle.
No, come here, sir. Stop.
You should have some
Don't
place
listen to him.
I don't make sure you stay in the vehicle.
I appreciate you to walk over here and tell me where the bathroom is and where I can get refreshment. Thank you very much. Don't listen to him.
A light post. Yeah, next time.
Keep it up here, security. Yeah, God is with you. I pray for you. God bless you. Him nice to me, you know. Him come over and tell me where I can get the bathroom, where I can get refreshment.
Only time I go bathroom, I pay the custom officer. See it here. I don't have no choice.
You see it here. But see it here. Hi, how are you?
How you doing? Can I stream?
Yeah, want to say hi?
Why? You must make sure you take your picture.
Oh, that's good, man.
But good.
Him
Him can't drive and move the cone for him. No, him can't drive.
So me get license, buy driver's license.
I buy him you know, Jamaica got already. Him have links.
You know when you buy my driver's license?
Yeah, my volley for links.
1990.
I buy him for true.
I buy him drive my license. You're one by now.
I buy.
Drive then time you have to drive for your license.
I buy you right by my license.
Stick you have to drive. And I'm not even carrying either a truck, a van, or a pickup van you have to drive. Not even car you couldn't drive then time there. You have to drive a van. You couldn't drive car to get a license. No, all bike you can ride. I get license, automatic. They might give them hand so they don't drive for license. Just that's all them. You know how long the power road I practice? Yeah, because the depot have to make their money. So easy just pay somebody outside and go one time. Because you go to the depot, they feel it deliberately for you come back. And when you go back, then not even ask no question and give it. So you have a choice. Either you go one time or 2 times. You don't need license to drive.
Leroy, what are you telling the young man?
You don't need a license to drive. You need a license to be sure police stop you or something happen.
Leroy, you need a license to operate a motor vehicle.
No?
For somebody who always not church and baptized, you're very unruly though.
It's not this drive.
Even have no discipline.
I
Leroy,
use
go on. The
physical
man and move
drive,
with something, go
not
on.
this.
Y'all, did you know that Leroy is big in church? In the last vlog, they were saying you are of the world. Leroy big in them church, yeah?
You don't understand.
Leroy wife,
This paper here
Leroy
don't
wife,
make you able to
a
drive.
deacon at church.
You only shoot they want to the one who buy license and can't drive.
Leroy just unruly.
No, it's serious.
That's the always tell people, say
this
everybody were
piece of
baptized,
paper here.
safe. Because Leroy need deliverance.
This how you need it.
Oh, I am delivered.
Deliver your hell.
I am delivered.
Oh, you can't tell someone see camera. You can't tell me that.
Alright, Leroy, come get this stuff. I'm coming now. Where are we doing today?
You know, sit down in there. You almost half an hour. Put them on the side, yeah.
Oh, so I'm going to shine, see it.
See them.
Alright, go.
The park lift can lift from the other side. Yeah? The park lift can lift from the side.
Side what? Go there. Put it down on the body.
Come on, you can't come further.
Come far. Come up here, lad. Come on, man, your wheels over, son. Come to me. Yeah, you come to me, really. Over here, son.
Just come straight, man. Just come, man. Just come to the wheel.
You sure like that? Alright. Drop your hand. Drop your hand. Little of it, sir. Alright, that's it. Alright.
Go right on, man.
Yeah. Now, look on the bonnet there. Side
Come.
Side I put it on, right?
No, but I'll put you on the next side.
Yeah, but come in on, you put it on the side, but if you're on the slide,
Alright, come, yeah. Alright.
That's something. Hold on. No. Come to one for the side, and the side is down. Yeah, you put it on the side. Yeah, I put it on the side.
You don't fly up.
No,
You can't flick one of them on the far.
Drag them.
Just flick it, son. You bring back.
What would I have done with the uncle? Everyone need an uncle in their life. Like I think 2 of my subscribers said that in the previous vlog, and you know I don't know the value of him until now. But what would I have done without him? Like real talk.
Hold on. Let me sort that a little bit too. Alright, take out the bar. Take out the bar. Alright, that's it. No. So you have to leave the...
No, I'm not rapping. Now I need to work on it. My whole life.
You want help?
Come on.
You want help? I'm all it. Huh? I'm sorry? On the phone, a camera.
Okay. Nice enough.
On camera, yeah.
Yeah, man. Nice camera, man.
Thank you.
Walking the camera. So nice. The first night so I like it.
Huh?
First night so I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So store everything inside. Wow.
And you can go up and down.
Yeah.
You can track you. If wherever you go, you just track your face.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Real. Nice camera, man.
Thank you. My stuff is all packed and we're ready to go home. We are ready to go home. Honestly, this time around is way better than the first time. The first time it was better with knowing someone that helped me with the but this time around the time was quicker. It's not even 12 o'clock, it's 11:45, and remember we came here at 9 o'clock and everything is complete before 12. So it's like say 2 hours and like 45 minutes somewhere there. It's not bad, right? To get everything done, even to load the van, it's not bad at all. It's really good. It really is. I'm so hot, I'm sweating. Look at me. I'm so hot. Father miserable that cost me a while ago. Leroy mad with me. Say a lot of the things them that I take with me, I could leave back. Woo, Leroy, you see the way you're mad with me, the van not even closed. I kill you one, kill me off.
Why you ain't sit down and you don't close the door?
I don't, yeah,
like
smile, then look a smirk on your face. You just smile a while, look a smirk.
You sit down and have your interest in a more something there than...
No, but while I got look a smirk on your face. You know see mom must kill me of security? You know see the door flight open? So you see the door too and tell me see the door open?
I think you're gonna lock it. That's all.
Alright. No, you see.
What should I do so much?
That's one.
No, can you see the door open
Half an
before
hour
you
then
tell me? I'm a foreigner. A country I come from. No, country. You both look like you're a foreigner. Alright, take care.
Alright, take care.
Yeah, man, I don't know.
Man, to look like Toronto foreigner.
Jamaica foreigner.
I'm not be able to come from. You're sweaty, you. I know you're mad at me, but I appreciate you. I don't say it a lot, but publicly, I'm saying that I really appreciate Leroy. Like, I couldn't have done. Well, Father God has sent ill. I could have done it without you.
Of course.
Because God has sent me ill.
I know God sent him. If God will send it, then will send me. I know, so I'm not happy. So I
appreciate you. I really do.
Shit, we shall go the next week.
Yeah, you never know where you're going. But I appreciate you. Like, I really, really appreciate you. I am so hot. I cannot wait to get home, to take these jeans pants off, to take my wig off. I am hot. I can feel the water running inside my blouse, under my blouse. I'm hot, but I'm happy. Leroy. Yes. It's so Leroy quiet. The moment we turn on the camera, he might go done me. He was cursing me out just now. Me tell when people okay, you can't see. Put on your glasses. Go on, no, Leroy. Out there. Go on. Sure. I what kind of driver this me a park? Me I tell you if you go on at your age. You're good man out there. So who direct your mirror? Me? And don't face yourself for me now. You cannot see. It's a face that you have eye problem. People who face them must see and hear properly.
So we reach our age, that's not the problem.
The two wrong for can't see properly. May I go over this of one care one of them day, you know?
More than one.
No, one more want. I declare in the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, I shall be driving in Jamaica very soon. You will crucify me? That's not stupid. I was just saying that probably it's not going to manage.
You know the size of the settee, and you are telling me.
Oh, you know the size of the settee. You ever come on my house before?
You see, on YouTube.
Ah, boy. Where can I drive on the tool?
I will pay.
God.
Okay, God no dey pay the toll.
Jesus, you pay the toll. Go on now.
Can we drive pan me no say have to pay?
I'm here to tell you, say, Jesus, we pay it.
No know about that. We never see a pay it.
When me see that, that's when I tell you for go on.
Alright, me drive when me no see it. Me no see me not pay.
You know, say, listen to me talk.
Alright, take out the 1500 I put on here, so I still can't take
How
it.
much for the toll?
You know, too late. I still can't take
It's not $1,500.
Take out the money, put on
How
here,
much
so
fee?
I
How much
can-
fee?
and you will know how much.
How much feet?
Just take out the money. Put
I'm
on here,
asking
so-
you a question.
No, I don't know.
You
But
know.
we must say over 1,003. Take out the money, put it down here, so, and we still not too late to go on it because we can't go straight.
Let's go and buy feet, no?
No, me not go buy Fiat. Fiat no.
Yes, I like you to tell a feet. Make you go do
No,
things, you know.
Fiat.
Buy feet.
No Fiat, no. Yeah, you go buy Fiat.
Yeah, go straight.
Yeah, better road.
You're looking in your left lane. I always go my way. You're right, you can't stop it, please. Why if I always be rude? It doesn't hurt to be nice, you know? It does not hurt to be nice.
Not with me.
You just have to be rude. How much for the cotton? You come and buy the cotton candy. A long time I don't eat one in the Leroy. What do you name again? Yeah, cotton candy. We're at 3 Mile. Over there is when name Leroy Hunts Bay Police Station in 3 Mile. Leroy, go over the whole heap of time. I'm still going to look for police woman. But we're at 3 Mile. They have a new road. Welcome to Jamaica, the land of wood and water. Welcome to Jamaica. I don't have anything to vlog. I just have the camera on so Leroy doesn't curse me. So it's not gonna curse me when you guys are around. So you guys are keeping me safe right now. Thank you. As long as the camera on, I'm not gonna really tell me what I really want to tell me, because it's kind of upset that, you know, I ship all that I ship. He's like, but tell us, for that ship the city alone, everything else I can buy back.
You know, the money you spend to get them and you can't buy back all of it. Also, old rotten soap. You see, they soap them turn black.
No, no.
And they had to wait. Because I wait, they charge by wait. And all the little old soap.
You're right, don't stop the road.
But the soap, they're not good, they're rotten.
It's turmeric soap, them not black, it's turmeric. The way I can't stop, man.
That makes sense.
YouTuber area, you know. The audience like you, don't let them dislike you. They're like, Uncle Leroy. Yeah, all that. So you gotta be nice. You cannot curse me out. I'm a trying girl. I'm a trying girl. Before you give me props to say, Shauna, you did it, well done. You know, welcome home. Before you give it all that. Right here is Seaview. You see the name Seaview. You're right, which part jungle there? What part jungle already?
Jungle no in your ears. You have to go max. Go on the side, go cross road side.
Oh yes, yes, yes. We're gonna be okay.
It's every day to get worse.
Leroy, we're gonna be okay. Stop. God is in
Are
control.
you?
I'm gonna be okay.
Okay, you're right.
And if I'm okay, you're okay. Listen, my prayers.
Dream.
No, my prayers. You guys are benefiting from my prayers.
You who?
You.
If you get life hard, make life harder.
No, you're benefit from my prayers. Stop saying that. You're benefiting. Just chill. Just trust. Whoa, he have a little trust. Just trust, man. Guys, I don't really keep my company because if the camera never on, him done me. You can't go over. You can't go over. You can't go over. But I like drive with him because you itch. When you drive with somebody, you don't know a road code.
And you have your something in the back of the van.
You don't know a road code. But I'm the road clear, but if you go on, you know itch.
No,
When somebody say go over, you go over, you know itch. You don't know a road code. We kill off people. When somebody say you're good, go over, come over. You just go same time. But you can't see. That's a problem. You have an eye problem. Oh boy. You guys cannot see, but the houses on the hills we're on. Where are we, Leroy? We're at Riverton City. And driving on Riverton City, going on Mandela. When you look, you can see the houses on the hills. So they have some really big houses up here. Some really big houses. But there's Avenue Sully right across to me. Because I told him that I don't edit. So anything he says, everyone's gonna hear him. So he's trying to be on his best behavior. I'm not going to use them again.
Because the first load was wholly time bigger and heavier. And I went $57,000. And this one was smaller. Charged me more money, $71,000.
But you know what? When I look at it, remember they were holding my stuff for 2 months before I gave them. No, but they're not going to receive the money because the money is being paid in Jamaica.
I said, man, I'm the only company.
It's not, no, I'm not own the company. You are not own the company. Why you can't listen?
You get one to get my part time. Because that's just the shipping company. Most of the time, them in control of the US and them only have work out here. Or you have a second partner for control of work out here.
Sovereign Mall or Plaza, whichever it is, to get Island Grill. I love Island Grill. Island Grill and KFC and Tasties is my kitchen. I'm not gonna eat. I cannot eat until after 2 p.m. But because Uncle is mad at me, we are freeing him up with Island Grill. I'm gonna get Island Grill for both of us, but I'm gonna have mine after 2 p.m. It's empty, yay! I love when it's empty. The lounge I have up here in the corner, I used to go up that lounge back in the days. I used to love that lounge. Yeah. We have Popeyes over there.
Taxi man away come.
Go up in the car with their shoes.
Taxi man away. Go.
I will be shocked if this is not broken.
Yeah, that's shocking.
So we're kind of offloading some of the stuff from the back of the van before we get inside. Be gentle. You know it's our mirror, yeah? Oh my God. It's not broken. Ain't no way. Leroy. Ah! I am so shocked. Oh my God. The mirror come in one piece. Don't bounce it. Take your time. Woo! In the office. Yay. On the wall right here. I cannot believe it. Yes. This much. You know, bro, you broke? No, dirty. Welcome home. Oh my God. I love this mirror. I love this mirror. I cannot believe this mirror made it to Jamaica in one piece. Oh, I love it. Leroy suggested that it's best for us to half load the couch from the van. So what I did, some of the stuff like the mirrors and my cushions and stuff, I placed them in the seat of the couch and I wrapped everything in the seat. I did not ship the couch with the seats empty. I put these mirrors, these wall mirrors on the couch. You know, the couch have the cushion, all that jazz, to protect, you know, the mirrors and stuff. This is my beach, a big beach towel. This is my winter blanket that I use to, you know, lounge in the couch. I use these thick, fluffy, padded blanket that keep you warm to cushion the mirrors. So that's what I did. I'm not gonna have any use for these blankets. This one right here, you know, listen, you know how much money I pay for this? The blanket here in Bath and Beyond, expensive. It's branded, okay? That's good. I leave them on the wall later. Remember, say I'll come back.
Me?
Yeah. Woo! That's not funny. But drop on my body and Leroy laugh. Ah!
Because you're supposed to push me. When I pass the leg, then it's when I make your pass, man. You each family do a lot to have it. And you know, look. Come. We get the light apart.
Choose to Leroy take off his shirt.
I'm over sure to never buy, right?
In your heart for real. I'm gonna take my wig off, eat lunch with Uncle, drink some water, cool myself down, and then we start. Could you stop walking without shirt? Look what I got. Look at this. You see this? The island life. I got this from a tree. I'm going to enjoy this tonight. Yeah, sweet stop. They have sour stop and they have sweet stop. This is a sweet stop right here. It's sweet stop. It's not sour stop. It's sweet stop. It's sweet stop. I got pea soup. Pea soup comes with 2 festival. I got a satisfaction as always, and here I got yaba. You could have the festivals. The bill came out to $2,700 and something dollars. What
I tell stew.
what the meat over yourself? Veggie stew.
I tell stew.
Leroy got colored rice and I tell stew that does not look enticing, but
It tastes good though.
it doesn't look appealing.
Maybe if it tastes tasty.
No, I can't.
No, just taste it.
I
one
cannot
time.
eat as yet.
No, just taste it.
I can't yam it yet.
Tastes good.
I can't eat it yet.
Best find something else on yummy.
Like what, Leroy? No, Leroy, like what, Leroy?
Pepper sauce.
No, you talk right now. We know about me. Like what, Leroy? It look like stew peas.
The stew. I think a veggie means night. Or same thing instead of thick
Leroy, that
stew.
tastes good.
And that's why I'm telling you, you should taste it. Kind of taste bad. It tastes very good. When you taste it, you buy it.
And then put spinners.
Pack up bigger.
Want a smaller for? Yeah, money for each with big things.
Pack up bigger. I like not the big.
You like big things?
No, last.
You like. You know, make it easier food. You say your prayers?
Why?
You couldn't say God is good, God is great. Let us thank Him for our food, amen. Say it right.
But time you say it, you get blessed with it. And then you get blessed.
You must bless your food before you eat
That's
it.
right.
You must bless your food before you eat it. Then put peas in it. That does not look good, but hey.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day.
Dream about.
Put the mirrors.
The mirror can't hold us.
Yes, it can.
Listen to it.
It can, Leroy. The mirror can hold. It's wide enough.
So you have to put the mirror in the breaker box.
No, but I'm not going in the breaker.
But you don't have no way of going there.
But if even if I'm going in the breaker, it's not gonna be often, so you can go over it.
Yeah, but the breaker can't chip anytime.
Leroy, please.
You're not supposed to cover the breaker box.
I want to cover. It's
With a big
ugly.
mirror.
It's ugly.
I want to come something and put over a breaker box so easy.
Can you just do it?
Everything that we say, you end of the day turn on a hand.
But why the breaker box can? I don't see
But
what's
we
the
keep
big
on
deal.
saying you cannot put such a big mirror over the breaker box because anything can chip.
I want to chip, just move the mirror. What's the big deal
Then if
though?
a bolt on the wall, you have a move.
Just lift it up. Oh.
If you don't lift it, the carpet is over. And this one lighter than the one.
This is what I got to so far, putting this olive tree together. Leroy went back to work. I'm here by myself playing worship music, finding new home for a few stuff that come with the couch. I'm thinking about leaving this tree right here. I don't know if it's because this been here since March. I want to say March. I kind of love this tree right here. I'm gonna place this olive tree in the corner in my office space. Leroy should be here within the next hour and a half, somewhere there when he leave work. A few of the olive came off the tree. It's not as fluffy as what it was before. Of course, you know, it went through a lot in shipment. It was like tied up, all that jazz, but you can see the olive on it. I love this olive tree. Got it from Amazon. As the time goes by, I'm going to fluff it out some more. Loving it. I also need a pot to put it in. I need another pot like this. I got this from Home Depot. I pay almost $20 for it. I know to get one like this in Jamaica is going to be expensive, but I'm going to invest in a good one. I placed the olive tree in the corner over here. For me, I love it. I think it does something. It kind of elevates the area. You know what I mean? Standing from the door back here, I like it. This camera is not showing so bright. Here we go. Lights, Shauna, lighting. You see how important lighting is, guys? Thank you. I'm loving it. The mirror over here, I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this mirror. The idea I had for this room before was to make this room an entire walk-in closet, like my get ready with me room, my makeup room, all that. But I, after I decided to create a small office, area, so I'm not sure where I'm gonna put that mirror. This over here is it for now. Done, complete. I don't need anything else. Anything else over here is gonna be way too crowded for me. Let me know, comment down below and let me know if you love the olive tree in the corner over here. Let me know if you think, if it lifts the room, should I put this olive tree where I have my TV in the living area? What do you think? It's pretty tall. I made a slight change. I placed the office chair that was right here with this table. I need a seat for this table over here because I do work from both tables to do different stuff. Yes, I'm thinking if I should put my office chair over here and put this chair over here because I mostly work here. Let me know what you think. I'm open to y'all suggestions because some of you guys are genuine and mean me well, so I'm open to When I was wrapping this mirror back home in the States, first I used the bubble wrap on the mirror itself. Then I get this fluffy, soft blanket put over the bubble wrap. Then I went to Home Depot and I got this box for $2 and a couple cents. And I put the box over the blanket and over the bubble wrap. And it came here in Jamaica in one piece. Welcome home. This is your new home. You want me to turn the lights on?
Yeah, there's one light. Yes, but
You're blind, you know. I need a bulb over here for Leroy because he can't see. Leroy, come on in tool. Serious business. Oh, this open. When the tool come out, you know it's serious business. Why it's not opening? You're not gonna put one at the end of it too?
You sure like it good?
Yeah.
Or if you put it, you know, say something after what it can be. Yeah.
Or the sticky thing.
You don't need it.
Yay! Look what Leroy did for me. It's on the wall. It's all coming together. Let's plug it in. Please make it work, God. Please make it work. Yeah! Okay. She don't want to like, I don't like lights you asking for?
Buy something here.
That comes soon. You can change the brightness of the lights, the coolness, the different tones. Yay! At night, whenever it gets darker, I'm gonna show y'all. It looks really good when it's like, you know, darker. The other one is coming over the breaker box right here because this breaker box thingy, you're not running a risk, right? Me want it over it. Just don't go too deep in it.
And cleanse me within all. Lead me right now. Come to my soul. Blessed Jesus. Right now. Come to my soul. Blessed Jesus. Rebuke your Satan out of my life.
Remember, don't go too deep.
Open.
Major.
I'm going further good. The fountain within me, Lord.
You see how peaceful my home is? My home is making the devil singing church songs. You see how peaceful my home is?
To my
It's
soul.
making Leroy singing to Jesus.
I rebuke your car. You know why you want to cry?
Rebuke me?
Yeah.
Rebuke me?
Yep.
My home is so peaceful. My home is so blessed. Whenever you come here, you could feel the presence of God. It makes Leroy so comfortable, so humble, singing worship song.
People don't know about this house. This house is a little pit of hell.
Thus said the Lord, that shall not stand, nor shall it come to pass. Okay? Yeah.
Lord.
Thus said the Lord, that shall not stand, nor shall it come to pass.
Right now.
My home, Heavenly Leroy singing gospel. Yeah, Jesus, you did it. Heavenly Father, you did it.
And the peaceful.
Jesus, you did it. You did it. You did it. You did it.
Gospel.
You did it. All praises, all glory belongs to God. Look at the power of my Heavenly Father. Huh? My prayers does not go in vain, okay? It has to be aligned with the other one.
It is aligned with it.
So it doesn't need to go higher.
You know that's true. Because this one here, man, pass the battery gel in between. Right now.
Sing it, Leroy. Chew upon them. Rebuke the devil. No devil around here.
Sing some big song.
You go right through the door. If you sing one dead song, you come out. If you sing one graveyard song, you go through the door. Yay! This is what I'm looking like. So black and white and gray. And the tile on the floor is not helping at all. But this is my comfy home. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I have some different cushion to throw in the couch. I'm going to play around with the different colors that I have over the weekend. I'm going to do a reset vlog. I still have some more cleaning to do, but I'm so happy, so grateful that my couch is here. I have some more stuff over here. Leroy needs to finish the TV, we call it console thing, to go right here to take these things up off the ground with some other home decor that arrive. you need to build something right here. He promised that he will, so I'm just waiting for him to complete what he promised me. I have this over here to also go over there once it's done. I'm so glad that my candle warmer is here. I have one in the bedroom as well. But this is my comfy home. Just to clean the hair in the living room, I had this air purifier running not too long ago. It is so good. I got it from Amazon. Inside just feel light and smell fresh. I did wipe the couch down, mop the floor, you know, clean the kitchen area, counters and stuff. I still have some more stuff to do, but for now, this is what Shauna is looking like. My bedroom is next, then my bathroom. I still have a lot to get done. Little by little, I'm doing room by room, but I think this is complete for my living room. I just need to play around with the colors cushion that I have. I'm gonna do that over the weekend and see what I like best.
Lord, fill this place. So fill this